Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove and replace the AC compressor on Honda CRV. The AC compressor is located right there on the lower side of the engine, so it's in a very tight spot. So in order to remove the AC compressor, we need to lower the whole subframe. We need to remove the front two bolts of the subframe, this one, and on the other side we need to remove the bolt for the engine mount, which is just up there. And in the rear of the subframe we need to loosen the two bolts, maybe halfway. We screw them halfway, and that's how we're gonna lower the subframe. If the video is useful, consider subscribing to the channel for more videos. So we've released the two bolts on the rear about halfway. Now we're gonna remove the front two bolts. First we'll remove the bolt for the engine mount. Before we remove the two bolts on the front of the subframe, I will need to jack the subframe with a transmission jack and then remove the two bolts. Now we will lower the subframe and try to remove the AC compressor. The AC compressor is held by 4 bolts, 2 on the bottom and 2 on top. Now when the subframe is down, it's a bit easier to get to them. I've already removed them, but they're not that hard to remove. And you also need to remove the connector, the electrical connector, and the two pipes that connect to the AC compressor. After all that is removed, we can take out the AC compressor. With a screwdriver I'm gonna pry out the two hoses that connect to the AC compressor, because they don't wanna go out so easily. That's the AC compressor now out. Now we can put on the new AC compressor.